can see me, right? Hello? Guys, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thanks for confirming. Okay. So I remember the last session. One second, guys. Let me check my internet. Yeah, it's stable now. Okay. So the last session, I given this file where you can practice around 25 queries. I think 23, I think I given a requirement. Did anybody finish this by any chance? Guys, let me know. Did anybody try this?
Ye- Yes, sir.
Yeah, serious. Yeah, Revati. Can I make you as presenter now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thanks. So I'm making you as a co-host. You can share your screen now. Okay. Devi, you did? Okay, nice. Okay, I think I'll go with Revati. Revati, I made you as a co-host. You can share your screen, but before that, yeah, close your all any browser has opened with any text message windows. You can close it.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah, you can share your screen. Yeah, I'm able to see your screen. Oh, you saved this way? Okay, that's also fine for me. Okay. So I'll go with one by one. So I think the first one is I was asking to print name DOB. Okay, then ID name department DOB, then district and departments, right? And developer department employees, right? Yeah, other than HR guys, right? So other than HR means yeah, you can do this in three different ways, not equal to, not in. Okay, yeah, then fine. And the next one is wait. Don't scroll. Wait. So here you are checking, yeah, who's born after 1st January 1998, right? After in the sense greater than, correct, right? And before means yeah, you written less than, correct, correct. And yeah, the date between, right? 1st January to December 31st, 1998. Okay, this is also nice. And next, whose name is Jack and salary is below 2500. Okay. And then whose name is Tom and he belongs to tester. Yeah, this is also correct. And this is whose name is job. I have to display all the jobs and how to display all the salaries below 2500, correct? So this also looks good. Next one is whose name is Tom and belongs to developer. Okay. And this is HR department people. Okay. And okay, other than HR, right? Next, other than HR and accounts. Wait, let me check one again, once again. Okay, so whose belongs to developer and HR department, right? One second. Belongs to developer and HR. Whose belongs to developer and HR. Developer and HR. Okay, this is nice, ma. Okay. And before that, what I asked, below 1017 employee ID. Again, still ma here, you can use ID 107 is there, na? ID less than 1. Hey, there you can add and okay, developer
Okay, sir.
in in parenthesis in a list you can add developer comma tester. That's also work. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Next scroll down and between employee IDs 103 and 107. Right. This is also correct. And whose IDs are 1025812. Okay. Yeah. Who belongs to HR and developer. Okay. And why you given the single quotes for salaries? Because they are numbers, right? Even without giving single quotes, also it will work. Okay, right. So I think yeah, that's all. I expected. Okay, I think all looks good. Do you have any queries, Revati?
Yes, sir. There is a question to show virtual table something. So
Okay, okay, I understood.
create a virtual
Right,
table
right,
as
right, right, right. That's
employee
no my
info with
next topic.
ID comma
Yeah,
name.
yeah. Got it, Revati. That's actually our future topic. I missed to delete it. Okay, that you'll come to know in the views chapter. Okay. Uh, okay, good work, ma.
Okay, sir.
Right. So, guys, anybody having any
Thank
questions?
you, sir.
Yeah. Guys, anybody having any questions on the where class? Almost, we covered all the use cases with the where class. Anybody having any queries? No? Okay, fine. Okay, then I think, yeah, there are two more operators I want to discuss today. Like and, not like. Okay. So you remember when we want to filter the rows, there are, use cases are there, right? So the use cases are the where class. I'm talking about the where class. Guys, my voice is clear, right? Can one please
Yes,
confirm?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Okay, so when you're dealing with the where class generally is for filtering, right? So when you are filtering in where class, you have to write some condition, right? So to prepare this condition, there are some operators we have to use it. One is relational operators, right? One is relational, and the second is logical, and the third one is some other operator, right? I took something, other operator. In other, we discuss in, not in, right? Between and not between. Guys, what else? Guys, what else?
Is null,
Right. Is null.
is not null,
Not null.
Correct. Is not null. Yes. Two more things are there.
like, not like.
Correct. So today I'll be discussing this like and not like. Okay. So this is almost at most topics that we were covering in where class. If you know this all in where class, yeah, you're good at preparing the conditions. Okay. So I'll go in this way. I'll go with this like and not like. First, go into our table. Now, do you remember in Book My Show, in the home page, you have to search city, correct? There's a search, the search box I was taking an example. If I type H, what it shows? In Book My Show, if I type H letter in search box, what it shows? Array. In cities,
Yes,
only
yes,
if I
sir.
type,
All the
yes,
cities will
Hyderabad,
touch.
Hyderabad, Haryana, right?
Hyderabad.
Correct. So that's actually, when to use, this like operator, guys. Okay. So there, what you need to do is select start from employees. Okay. Select start from employees. You have to write it. And there you have to add the where class where city like. Okay. Where, you need to use, like in single quotes, you should say something, H percentage. That's it. So if you say H percentage, the meaning of this H percentage, there's a meaning of, H percentage is uh, we are printing all employee details whose city starts with H letter. Okay. Where city like H colon is. So if you run it, you can see Hyderabad. You can see, Hyderabad. This is something, like operators. It's a very straightforward, very straightforward. And let's say if I do not like, you can see, other than the HOD case, you can see, except HOD, everything you can see it. This is a very basic example to understand like and, not like. And yeah, now also one more thing I want to explain here. Here, some cities are ending with I letter, right? Some cities are ending with I letter, right? So you can say the percentile, I guess you can write it. Here, the percentile is nothing but anything it could be. This percentile nothing but anything could be. H should be prefix, latter prefix, it could be anything. Similarly, here, percentage I nothing but percent is nothing but any text, but at the suffix should be I letter. Now, in this case, guys, tell me which cities will be selected. If I run this query, which cities will be selected?
Mumbai and Chennai.
Mumbai, Chennai, Delhi.
Right,
Delhi.
right, absolutely correct. See, Mumbai, Chennai, Delhi. So that cities are selected. And also, maybe I can write one more letter here. That is something, you may guess this. If I read, let's say if I read something, like this, can you guess what it is? Just guess.
Delhi.
No, no, no. See, here prefix can be anything,
He should be in
suffix
Delhi.
can be anything, and in between there should be a E
Mumbai,
letter, the
Chennai.
city. Yes, yes. No, no, ma. The meaning of this percentile is prefix can be anything, suffix can be anything, but in that city, E letter should be there. E letter should be there. Let's run
Yes,
it.
sir. Hyderabad, Delhi, Bangalore, and Pune.
Bangalore, Chennai, everything will come it. Everything will come it. Okay. I hope this is clear to everyone. And also, if I write RE, can anyone guess? RE means
Hyderabad, sir. Hyderabad,
no,
no, sir.
Bangalore,
Bangalore,
sir. Only
Bangalore,
Bangalore.
Bangalore,
Bangalore, sir.
Bangalore.
correct. So it show all the cities names which having a word called something, RE, which have a word something, RE. Prefix can be anything, suffix can be anything. Okay, but there should be, a RE letter. Okay. So let me, this is something, November 15th, sorry, November 17th. Let me save this. And this is something, the like and not like. Guys, is uh, what happened, guys? Is my network was down. Let me check. Guys, am I audible now? I know in between it was breaking, but am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay, thanks for confirming. So I was asking your acknowledgement. Are you clear on when to use this like and not like, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the percentile I was using, right? The percentile is nothing but something, regular expressions, guys. We have to call them as, regular expressions. These are all called as, regular expressions. Okay. So again, don't get confused. But the regulation is nothing but a new topic. A regular expression, nothing but with special characters. With special character, we are searching a column values. With regular expression, we are searching a column values. If I say H percentile, okay, in city column, we are searching all the rows which are starts with a H letter. So that's, your regular expression, guys, will work. Okay, think this is makes sense, everyone, I believe. Right. So then, guys, I think if you're good with this, then today I'll go with the one more class. The class name is something, ordered by class, guys. Hope you guess what is the purpose of this class.
To arrange column data in ascending or descending order.
Correct. So
Sorting.
using this column, yes, we can sort the rows either in ascending or descending order. So let me write down the syntax one more time. So select, you should say your column list, and then you should say from uh, table name, and finally you can say you're ordered by, okay, and you should suggest here column name, and here there are two option things are there. One is ASC or DESC. So what ASC will do, what is DESC will do here?
Default order by is always ASC, and ASC means ascending order, DSC means descending.
Correct, absolutely correct. So even if you won't write this ASC DSC, by default ordered by will sort the rows in ascending order. But if you really want to need in a descending order, then you should declare, this is DSC. Okay. So guys, we'll quickly go through this. Let's take an requirement. The requirement is show all employee records. Okay, show all employee records in ascending order, in ascending order, okay, in ascending order, based on their names, guys. Based on their names. You understood the requirement? Guys, you understood the requirement?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if you see our table data, guys, this is our table data. And if you see the names, they are not in alphabetical order. See A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Oh my God. They are already in ascending order. Okay, let's go with, the cities, guys, then. Okay, based on the cities. Okay, let's go, based on the cities. Now, if you see their cities, the first one is Bangalore, Bombay, Hyderabad, Chennai, right? Pune, and Delhi. They are not in a sorting order, right? Now we need this column values, in sorting order. So then, yeah, guys, tell me the query. What should I write? The query. Very simple query.
Select city from
Select
employees.
cities from
Order by
employees.
city.
Order
Correct.
by
So let's
Order by
start from
cities.
employees. Very simple, right?
order by
Just
Yes,
say
sir.
ordered by and column name.
Column name. City.
That's it.
City.
That's it. That's it. That's it. Not on beyond this you're doing here. Very simple. The ordered by class and very straightforward also. So now I was explaining about ordered by. This is the first query. Let me run it. Yeah, let's run it. Guys, you can see now. First Bangalore, then Chennai, then Delhi, then Hyderabad, then Kolkata. Again, hey, what happened, man? Because again, my network was lost.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
why
sir.
it is breaking today? Okay, I don't know why it is breaking today, but since morning, network was good. Okay, fine. So I think so. What I was explaining without writing ASC also by default you can see in ascending order. Okay, but if you really want the data in a descending order, then at the end, guys, you should say something, desk. Okay, so let's run it, guys. Now we can see in a descending order. See, Pune, okay, Bombay, and Kolkata, Hyderabad, and Delhi. So is that make sense? The ascending and descending order queries?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Yeah, so this is something, ASC and ESC, it's completely, the optional. You may use or you may not use ASC, but desk case, you should explicitly mention it if you want to need the data in, in a descending order. Okay. And yeah, this is, I think, a small example. And you have a couple of tasks, guys. You have a couple of tasks to practice it. So you can practice on the ordered by class. Okay. So this is a today class notes. If you see, ordered by class you use it to sort the rows either in ascending or descending order. Ordered by class by default sort the rows in ascending order only. Okay, this is the syntax guys. And these are some requirements and these are the tasks you can practice it to want to become perfect. So this is the task 6 I'll be giving you. Okay. So guys, you are clear on select command with ordered by class. On top of it, can I go for other things? Guys, am I
Yes, sir.
audible?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And also, I want to show you one more interesting thing here. One more interesting I want to show. Yeah, guys, if you see now, cities are sorted, correct? Cities are sorted, right? Now, Bangalore city, if you see, Alice and Grace is there, right? And then Mumbai city, if you see, Bob and John is there. Yeah, I think Pune, if you see, it's some Irani and Eva is there. Can you focus here? In city Bangalore, cities are sorted here, but in cities the names are they in ascending order, guys? See, I mean, and what I want to explain you here, you can also use ordered by class for two columns. You can also use ordered by class for 2 columns. So I'll be writing here name also. I'll be writing something, name also. I'll writing something, name also. So the meaning of this is, let me run it and I'll summarize. 1 second, guys. 1 second. Sorry, my bad. Yeah. Yeah, this is what actually, I was supposed to showing. Maybe I'll zoom this. Maybe I'll keep it here. Guys, are able to see the notepad?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Up to here, you're clear, right? Guys, up to here, you're clear, right? You're ordered by
Yes, sir.
city ASC means, yeah. And beside it, what I written? Name, comma, ASC. Can you guess what it means?
Name ascending
City-wise,
order, sir.
city-wise, you're sorting in ascending order. City column-wise. And immediately what you're doing? Name-wise also, you're ascending things. Let's say if I write like this, what will be the output? Guys, if I
Names
write
will
like
Name
this,
should
what
Ascending
be
will be
order
the
of
output?
names
alphabet.
will be in descending orders.
So you understood, right? So whenever you use ordered by, you have a flexibility that you can sort more than one rows at a time, right? So let me add that point here. Ordered by, ordered by class, ordered by class, ordered by class can also sort more than one column at a time. Guys, does that make sense? Does that make sense? The statement
Yes,
which I
sir.
have given?
sir.
So this is something, the example that I want to show you for it. I'm assuming that everyone clear on the ordered by, so that I'll go with further concepts, guys. Can I?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I don't know, guys, why today my network was bad for some time. Okay, but I hope everyone are clear that what I have explained so far. So far, I have explained like and not like, and then ordered by class. So whenever you use ordered by class, default is ascending. But if you want to
Sir,
make them in descending, yes,
I have a doubt regarding like, sir. Can I ask?
yes, please.
Yes, sir. Sir, if I want only A alphabet afterward, means what I want to use? A
Uh,
alphabet after only one word I want, one letter. I mean like A B I want or A C I want. After that A letter. So what I
acha,
should
acha.
use?
See, I think if I'm not wrong, you're asking this thing, right? So
Yes, sir.
here, yeah, if you see here, prefix can be anything. Okay,
Yes,
the
sir.
previous first word it can be anything. Now second word should be a letter. So
Yes,
this is
sir.
what you are
No,
asking, correct?
no, sir. No, sir. I am
Uh-huh.
asking after A. After A.
Okay, after
Only I
A.
have to print after A. Yes, sir. After A letter. Only I want to print one letter after A.
Can can you give me one, name?
Sir, like Vinod. No, Gayatri, sir. Gayatri.
Mm-hmm.
So I want only A and T. T. Yes, sir. Or A and Y. Yes, sir. Like,
So you want to find the words which are having a name AY, is it?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you need a name which has a AY letter, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And then you can keep the A as it is. Okay,
Yes,
and
sir.
write this way. Got it?
No, sir. I want A after letter. A after Y. Only
Sir, I
one letter
think
I
he is
want to print.
asking that he wants to print only one letter after A, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you want to print only one letter.
Yes, sir. One letter.
Acha, then you need to use a string function called something, trim. Okay, that I'll discuss in string functions. Then I'll add the both. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I got your
Sir,
requirement.
instead of that, we can use what we call underscore.
Yeah, underscore or hyphen operator also we can use it. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
So that is also I'll cover, no worry. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah, got it. Okay. Okay. So I think guys, everyone are good, I believe. And also I can give you one more, use case to you to practice there. Um, Based on your like and not like operator. Let's say I want to show the employees who's born on January month. Who's born on January month? Or whose, birthday day is in a month is, fifth. Who's born on fifth? I want to show them their names. Okay, that these two things, guys, you can give a try. Maybe you can use ChatGPT. That's fine for me. But you'll definitely understood, the way that we were using the like operator. These two things you can practice. Show all employees whose born date is day is fifth, okay, and who's born on, let's say, May month or April month, whatever the month you can take it. Okay, you can give it a try that. So guys, now I'll be going to very important topic in select a command. We covered so far where class and ordered by class. Now, guys, I'll be going with a very important class that is something new, group by class. I can give you 5-star rating for this topic because if you understand group by, then lot of things you can do it. Lot of things you can do it in a UI perspective. Maybe I can quickly give you one use case. In Amazon, if you're searching for a t-shirt, left side you have an option, left side you have an option, colors. Okay. Now, if you select blue color, as soon as you check the checkbox blue, you can see the count, right? 25 blue caps are there. Okay. And if you select green also, if you select green, yeah, 20 count is there. It means blue count is 25, green count is 20. That's a very basic example I can give you when to use these group by classes. So that kind of so many use cases are there when to use a group by class. You understood, right? The use case which I have explained? Guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So let's get into guys how to use a group by. But before the group by, you should be strong at distinct keyword. You should be strong at the distinct keyword. Tell me guys what distinct keyword will do.
Filter the unique notes.
Unique values.
Okay, let's quickly run one example. I want to print unique cities. I want to print unique cities.
Select
Mm-hmm.
disk.
If I say Citima, you'll get all the cities, right? With repetition. But without repetition?
Disk.
Distant.
Distinct, right? You should say distinct. Distinct city. So let's run it. You can see as distinct cities. Now to print, the departments also. Distinct departments. I want to print distinct departments.
Select distinct departments from
Select
employees.
distinct department from employees.
Correct. So let's run it. You can see it. How do I exclude the null? How do I exclude the null?
Where
Those
city is
not null,
not
sir.
null.
Not null.
Nice,
City is
nice,
equals to
nice,
City
not
is
null.
not null.
nice. Where city is
Not
not
null.
null. So I think guys, everyone on same page. Good, very good. So why it's showing this way? Sorry, my bad. Sorry, it's wrong. Where department is not null, right? Right. So now you can see this. I think everyone are align what distinct keyword is. I think everyone are clear on it. So let me go with something group by examples now. Group by examples now. But before that, let's take a quick requirement here. Guys, this is a table, just imagine. This is a table, just imagine. Now I need, wait, let's go, let me run this query once. Yeah, let me run this query once. Okay. Yes, we have dealing with only 4 departments, right? If I'm not wrong. Yes. Let's do this. Guys, this is the first requirement. Trust me, if you understand the first requirement, rest of all examples are simple. I'll take I'll try to explain twice or thrice until you get more clarity. For the first requirement, remaining or dead easy. Trust me, remaining or dead easy, guys. Okay. So I need this output now. I need, this output now. This output now. So I need, yeah, in IT, how many employees are there? Guys, in IT, how many employees are there?
3, sir.
3,
Same
sir.
employee.
Okay, HR,
2,
2.
2, sir.
2, sir.
finance,
Marketing
3,
2.
3.
Finance
3,
3.
3, sir. Finance.
finance, three, marketing.
2,
2,
2.
sir.
Okay, 3 2 means yeah. So it's satisfying. Guys, this is the output I needed. And this is the first example I was explaining about the group by class. Okay, so this is the output I needed. Okay, so we'll go with step by step now. Guys, left side is our original table. Sorry, right side is our original table. Left side, I need this output. So if you ask me, sir, what is the requirement for this? The requirement is I want to print department-wise count. I want to print department-wise count. It means in each department how many employees are there. You remember I just now given one example, but I want to show you this example again one more time. Let me go to Myntra. Let me select one product, and I can show you what exactly I was trying to explaining you here, so that you won't miss this topic. You never forgot this topic. Because group by and ordered by, sorry, group by and having by are very simple. But interview definitely will focus on this if you are, from fresher background. Okay. Mm, let's say saris. Why my network is very bad today? My God. Okay, guys. If it is slow, okay, that's fine. Now, if I select saris, now left side I definitely can see, colors. Color also you can see. Whenever I open it, immediately you can see red saris count, blue saris count, like that kind of count you can see it at left side panel. Correct? Guys, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that's actually the similar requirement I was explaining to you. That's, similar requirement I was explaining to you. Okay. Yeah. Now, guys, tell me, how do I print departments? We'll go step by step. Guys, we'll go step by step. How to print only departments?
Select department from employee.
Correct. So select, say, department from employees. So this is, I think the query is clear, everyone, I believe. There is no hurdles, everyone here. So this is very straightforward query. So you are selecting department. You are selecting department. But are you not grouping the departments here?
Yes, sir. We
IT3,
are grouping. We are
HR2,
grouping, sir.
Finance 3, Marketing 2. Or in a general case, if I ask you, red color sarees are 20, green color sarees are 60. We are grouping that all red color, right? So these departments, okay, these departments we are grouping, right? So yeah, this is the first thing that you need to mention. That is, this is the first thing you need to mention. And I think I forgot to give a syntax. Sorry, my bad. I forgot to give a syntax. So the syntax is group by class syntax is select column list from table name and say group by, and that's it, guys. You need to mention the column name. That's it. Guys, this is syntax. Select column list from table name, group by, just say, your column name. And one very important thing here is whenever you use group by, and whenever you mention your column list, whenever you're mentioning the column list, so your column name, comma, there should be one aggregate function how to write it. There should be one aggregate function and one column also that you have to mention. I know here you get confused. Here, you get confused. Sir, why the aggregate function is came into the picture? I'll tell you guys, why this aggregate functions, come into the picture. First, tell me how many aggregates are there?
5.
Guys,
5, sir.
aggregate.
what are they?
Sum,
minimum,
Sum,
average,
average,
count,
count, minimum, max.
Correct. This is everyone clear, right? Sum, min, max, average, and count. So in the syntax, always you should say select comma column name, and immediately you should say your aggregate function and for on which column you are aggregating. And which column you are aggregating. Okay, that you have to mention here. And from table A and group by on up from which column you are grouping it. Color column, color column, cast column, brand column, which column you are grouping it. That you have to mention it here. Okay, select column name, aggregate. So now I'll tell you the scope of aggregates here. Guys, in previous requirement, if you see, are you not doing count of employees in IT department?
Yes, sir.
Count of employees in IT department. So which aggregate I have to use it now?
Count aggregate.
Count, sir.
Exactly. So you should say count there. You should say count there. Okay. Now let me write the query. Comma, you should say a aggregate and on which column you are aggregating. I am
Department.
aggregating on department column. So you should write like this, guys. I'll be using a red color that where I was using the aggregate, where I was using the aggregate, and on which column you are doing the aggregate. Department column you are aggregating. Okay, right? So no. You should do only count. Should do only the count, not total, because you are finding number of employees, right? Number of employees. Don't think it's total. It's a number of employees. Okay, and finally, guys, you should say group by. And as it is this, on which basis you are doing the group, you should
Department.
say department. That's it. I know you understood 30%. I'm sure
No,
you
sir,
have not
understand,
understood.
sir.
Yeah, but so, not you guys. I mean, in all the perspective I was telling. Maybe you can understand. See, guys, this is what I was explaining. See, this is what I'm explaining. See, brands are there, na? Kalini, Mutera, right? Moda Rapido. So if you see the count, 19,773 product brands are there. These products are. Now, if you go down, this is what I was talking about. Green count, pink count, blue count. So how we are getting this? This is what the magic with aggregates, guys. Okay. So the same example I was explaining to Let's run the query. Let's run the query first. I'll explain this again. Don't worry. So I'll be running this. Yeah, guys, you can see the output. Anyhow, we got some blanks. You know how to remove this, but you got this output. See, IT3, HR1, Finance 2, and Marketing 2. I know we altered some data, so on that basis, we are getting this output. How many rows are there? Okay, not 10. Let me
Sir,
check. 10 rows. Wait, man, wait. Run. I think no department people are, I think 2, I believe. That's the reason you can see 3, 1, that is 4. 4 plus 3, 7. I think 3
members.
departments which does not have the departments. Yeah, it's a correct totally because we alter the data. Guys, I'll explain you this query how this works. Okay, one more time I was explaining. As per the requirement, first we have to print the department column. So we return department. There's the one link is there. Why I was explaining distinct keyword. Why I was explaining distinct keyword. Then I discuss this. Guys, if you see carefully here, you're group by department, right? And you have selected department column also. When you write group by debt, when you write group by debt, what internally it will do is, guys, internally what it will do here is, it will take this department column, okay? It will take this department column and apply the distinct on it, So that's the reason, guys, you'll see here, unique departments names. This is the first thing everybody should know. I'll repeat one more time. In group by, if you mention any column name, okay, and the same column if you are using in selected column list, one more time, last time I'm explaining, in group by, you have to write some column name here. And if the same column name is if present in your column list, the same column name is present in your column list, internally, what will happen? This will take its original column and apply the distinct so that you can see without repetition of your department. This portion is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Remaining all dead easy, guys. Remaining all requirement dead easy. This is the tricky part. Internally apply distinct so that you can see unique departments. Now what you need it in this department, what you need it. You need a minimum value in that. I mean, what you need it. Either you need a minimum or maximum or total or average or count. What you need it on this column, what you need it. That you can apply by using something, your aggregate functions, guys. So this will give, your aggregate result. So count of department is nothing but what it will do here is, again, guys, whenever you do count, okay, whenever you do count, again, what will happen? It will go to the same column. Okay, it will go to the same column. And you are doing already department-wise group, right? So it will go to the department and it will start counting it. It start counting means IT 3, HR 2, finance 2, sorry, finance 3, and marketing. Like that, it will count and it will print it here. Does that make sense, everyone now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, no worry, I'll go with one more requirement now quickly. I want to print city-wise count, guys. I want to print city-wise count. I mean, in Bangalore, how many people employees are there? Bombay, how many people? Hyderabad, how many people? What will be the query? Don't buy hard it. If you buy hard it, you cannot. I'll repeat my requirement. I mean, before that, guys, you need the output, right? Trust me, if you know the output, you'll start writing the query. So my output is like this, guys. City, and I need something, total employee count. I need the output this way. Guys, tell me what is the query for this?
Select city
Select
from employee, city from employee, group by.
city. Wait. City from employees first. You need to write it. Then
Group by.
Yeah, it should say group by
cities. I mean
Good.
cities.
Yeah. So
And
guys,
we have to write.
wait. If I do group by city, what will happen? It will internally apply the distinct on this column, and here you can see the distinct column. Correct? You understood, right? This is
Yes,
like
sir.
HOD, Pune,
Yes, sir.
Chennai, like that, it will display. Correct? Now, what do you need? You need total number of employee count. So, which aggregate?
Yes.
How do you
Aggregate
get?
function.
Aggregate
Count.
function.
Count function.
On which
Count.
column? On which column?
City
On cities.
City column.
Cities.
Exactly. So you'll get like
as
this.
total emp count.
Yeah. I think, I was missing
Earlier
that
said
portion.
this also,
Sorry.
sir.
Yeah. Correct. I was missing that portion. So just say as and write this one. Here you'll get
total
total city.
employee count.
Yeah, as total employee count. You can see this is something, city-wise count. This is something, city-wise count. Let's run it and run it. Guys, you can see in Delhi how many people are there, Bombay how many people are there, Bangalore, Kolkata, Chennai, everything, as expected, you are able to see it. Does that make sense, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure, guys? You guys are able to understand the group by?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, okay, maybe I can go a little bit forward. 1 second, this is a query we written. This is the output we got it. Orange or green? Orange. Okay. Yeah, guys, this is the output. I think, we got it, correct? Right. So I think no people have the questions here, I believe. Now, from this output, okay, from whatever the output we got it, this is your output of group by class. Okay, the left side one is output of your group by class. Now, from this output, I need this output body now. Can anyone guess what could be my requirement? Just guess what could be my requirement. Guess.
Select total number of employees from Mumbai, Bangalore, and Pune.
Count
No. Yes, my requirement is whose
equal
count
to 2
is
also.
2, sir.
whose count is 2 and above.
2.
Okay, whose count is 2 and above. You understood everyone requirement?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So guys, if you see group by giving some result. Okay, group by giving some result. Okay, on top of this result, again I need a filter. Again I need a filter, and this is the filter output. Okay, I'll repeat group by, yeah, exactly. Yeah, group by will give some result. From that result, I need a filter. Okay, then guys, we have to go with something, a class concept, having class. Everyone understood when to use having class now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Same query. Okay, no changes. As it is, same query, you have to write it. Same query, you have to write it. So maybe I'll make this everything blue color. One second. One second. One second. Let me do some decoration for you. So this is your count of city. Let me make sky blue. Yeah, let's just make again a black. And finally, guys, what you need to do is you should say having, you should say having a city, your count of city, just say greater than or equal to 2.
2.
Right? So this is something, guys, the difference between group and having class. This is the only one image. Guys, this is the only one image. Always will give the clarity that when to use group by class and having class. Group by use it to grouping. Okay, group by use it to grouping. And on top of grouping result, if you want to filter, then guys, you'll be using, a having class. So let's run this. Let's run this and let's see, the output. Yes, anyhow, we'll be practicing both combination now. Okay, I'll be practicing more examples now. Guys, you can see we are getting the output now, Mumbai, Bangalore, and Pune. I hope this is makes sense, everyone. The difference between group by class and having class. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Might be you people have a doubt here. The doubt is, sir, can I rewrite the query by using where class? Yeah, we'll try, guys. Okay, I'll try. See, I using the where because we know the where class, but the limitation of where class is it always filter rows. It always filter the rows, not aggregate rows. It always filter directly rows. Okay, now guys, you can see you're getting an error because where class is not fit for
Where
apply
should be
the
written
filters
before
on
group by?
aggregate. Yes. So this is something in order, and the order of using the group by and order classes, guys. Sorry, group by and having classes always, first group by, then having only how to use it. So this is, the order of executing this. Let's run it. I think, yeah, I have not selected all. Let's run it. Guys, you can see this. So this is a one more example. We'll practicing multiple example, guys. Don't worry. I'll be practicing multiple examples with you. Okay. Uh, is this image is clear first, everyone? Take a screenshot, please. Guys,
Sir,
please
can
take a
you use the
screenshot.
total
Sir,
employee count instead of count city?
No. There is some problem. So the problem here is this is applicable in other databases. Okay, but it is not possible in Oracle because in Oracle, some challenge is there. The challenge is the order of this line, the order of this line, order of this execution line is differ in other languages and SQL. So what is this order? I'm sure you got confused. But to make you clarity, if I say 1 plus 2 minus 22 by 3 multiplied by 88. Guys, do you really think that is this executed first 1 plus 2, then it will do minus 22,
no,
then it
sir.
will do
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
what is the order?
Botmas.
What?
Botmas.
Not most.
Similarly,
Not most.
yeah. Similarly, whenever you write select a command, okay, we have a 4 classes now, group by and having where class, ordered by class, and selecting your column list, and from where you're doing it, and whenever you use in, not in, between, logical ratio for all, there is a hierarchy is there. There is a order is there. On that order, it will execute. So on that case, it will fails. When you do alias, actually your question is Guys, I'll repeat this question for everyone. What he was asking, no, sir, you're using count city and you're giving a alias name. Okay, sir, why you're not using alias name here? This name, we can use it here and we can apply the condition, right? Yes, that's possible in other databases like MySQL and Postgres. But in Oracle, that does not work. The reason is in Oracle, this order of this execution will be changes, guys. There's just one separate session is there for you. The order of select command statements. There I'll demonstrate this again, but here it will fail. Maybe I can show you that practically also quickly. So let me use this total count here. So it will fail. It won't execute because presidency is not following. See, it's showing that invalid identifier. But in
Sure.
MySQL, if you run the query, it will run. Clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. There's a concept order of select command statement execution. There I'll demonstrate this. Okay, no worry. Maybe I can go with quick example. One more example. One second. Okay. Okay, guys, I'll go with the requirements. Then we can factor this again, this group by first. So, wait. So first, my requirement is I want to print a department name. Okay, IT or HR or finance or whatever it is. And in that, I want to print the lowest salary. Okay, I want to print the lowest salary. You understood the requirement? Guys, you understood
Yes,
the
sir.
requirement or not?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, guys, what is the first department? IT department, let's take. In IT, who is the lowest salary? What is the lowest salary?
70,000.
70, 72, 75. Guys, everyone understood? First, requirement.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Department-wise lowest salary, sir.
Correct. And then I want to print department-wise high salaries. You understood this requirement as well. In IT,
Yes,
who is the
sir.
highest department?
75.
75, sir.
75,000.
Correct. Now I
Seven-
need, department-wise sum of salaries. Now, guys, this is what,
Yes, sir.
I think the first beginning, you guys, confused. Here I'm printing sum of salary. Nothing but in IT, 70,000 plus 72. How much? 1,42,000. 1,42,000 plus 75. Right? So you understood, right, guys, what I was expecting, sum of salaries?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Yes, yes.
Right? And I want to print one more thing is department of average salaries. What do you mean by average salary?
Total
Uh,
salary
salary.
by
By
number
sum
of
of
number of
salary.
salaries.
Nothing but in IT, if you see 70,000 plus 72,000 plus 75,000 by
3.
Yes, sir.
Exactly. You understood all my requirements, I believe. Okay. Let's start right the first query only. Let's start first, right? Only the first query. So you can understand the remaining things quickly. Yeah, go ahead, guys. What will be the query?
Select department.
Select department from employees.
Select department
Department
From
from
employees.
employees.
Group
Okay.
Group
by
by
department.
Group by department.
So first we can write group by
Group by
department.
department having.
No. Why are you going for
Okay.
having, man?
After
Okay,
select
sir. Okay, sir.
department, we have to write
Okay, sir.
aggregate
We
function.
have to write
Correct.
aggregate
So
functions.
first you have to
So-
select beside the dev. Guys,
Sure.
beside the dev, what I was supposed to printing. See, this is actually we need that output. We are printing department, but in department, what we are exactly printing? We are printing slow of salaries.
Sir.
Low salaries.
So I given a note for you. Whenever you use your aggregates, where is that? Yeah. Whenever you use aggregate, this is the things you need to keep it in mind. Only five. So on that basis, if you see here, it will be a
Min of salary.
Min of salary.
correct min of salary. How to say it?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Min of salary. Okay.
And
Let's
also
run it.
as Sir, we can
Yeah,
use
yeah.
as here.
Yes.
Aliasing also, sir.
As
As
low
low
salary.
salary.
Correct.
As low
Correct.
salary.
You may, whatever, you want, you can write it. So I'll run this query. Run it. Guys, you can see it. And tell me, how do I ignore this null, guys?
Where department is
Where
not null.
department is not null.
Hold on. Order.
Okay, after from employees we
After
should write where
employees,
clause.
sir. After
Hmm.
employees. After
Where
employees.
Okay.
Where
where
department is equals
department
to
is
not
not
null.
null.
Where department is
Is equals to
not
not null. Is equal to
not null.
Yes, sir.
Is not null, right? Okay, let's run it. So now see, null values are ignored.
Sure.
Okay. I think this is clear, everyone. See, guys, IT 70,000, HR 53. Now, guys, in this requirement, I want to print lowest salary, whose lowest salary is, above 50,000 only. Above 50,000 only. Whose minimum salary is above 50,000 only. You understood the requirement?
Yes, sir.
Whose minimum salary is above 50,000? That department employees only I want to print it. What should I do it?
Having min salary greater than 50,000.
Correct. Having min of
Min salary
salary,
Greater than
okay,
50,000.
greater than 50K.
50.
Then in that case, high T will be ignored, right? I think, wait, guys, something we didn't wrong. Wait, minimum salary. Oh, maybe we can go with this way.
greater than
Less than
55.
70. Less than 70K we can go with. Okay. I mean below 70,000. See? No, IT is gone. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Now, guys,
sir,
yes.
if we want to print only HR department, what we have to write, sir? We can use between and operator.
See, condition is your choice, no man here. You can
Yes,
use
sir.
relational, logical, in, not in, between, not between, anything you can use it now. You understood, right?
Yes,
There's a
sir.
condition, right? See, this is a conditional, right? In condition, you can apply relational, logical, in, not in, between, not between, is null. Anything you can use it. Understood?
Right, sir. Done, sir.
And one more thing, guys, here, if you see the salaries, are they in ascending order or descending order, random order?
Random order, sir.
Random order, sir. Random order.
But I need in ascending order. How should I?
Order by.
Order by
Hmm?
Order
Hmm?
by ascending.
Hmm.
The order by is
min
mandatory.
salary. Min salary.
Minimum salary, right? Ordered by minimum salary, you need to do it. Let's run it. I think for this column that does not work. I do recall we cannot use it. Maybe this will
Low.
work. Wait,
Aliasing
guys. I think this won't work. Maybe I'll go with this way. Time being, because I want to show you an example where, wait, I think I was not right. I was not removing the semicolon. Sorry, my bad. 1 second. Yeah, this is what actually I want to show you. See, this is actually I want to show you. Now, if you see this output, I know, guys, it will take a time for you. Try to spend some time, because tomorrow also I want to go with, same examples, same ordered by group by. I'll spend some time with you. So try to understand the way that I use something, where class. Why I use where class? This is the first thing you need to understand. And why use grouping? Okay, this is the second thing you need to understand. And why I apply the having. Okay, that's also you need to understand. And finally, why I'm using, ordered by, and the order of, that I'm using it. These things is you need to focus. Clear? Try to spend some time. Okay, and I'll be sending few tasks for you today. Okay, these are all the tasks I'll be sending to you today. Lot of tasks are there. So try to practice it. I'll be adding, task 7. This all, guys, I'll be adding, as a task 7. Try it your own. Let's see how many things you can finish. And I'll take new tables like Mintra haven't explained, right? Mintra. So like that, I'll go with some more examples and we'll practice tomorrow. I know its importance. I'll make you perfect this concept. I'll come up with few more examples tomorrow. Okay?
Sir.
Sir.
Okay then. Yeah. Bye guys. Thanks for everyone. Good night.
Bye, sir.